Okay guys, new tool showed up, the Reboot Cut 40D. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this really quick, so you guys can see what's in it. I couldn't find one on YouTube, so I figured I'd put one in there. I asked YouTube to, Amazon to put it in a different package so the wife wouldn't see a plasma cutter sitting on the front porch, but they obviously didn't do that, so be careful when you check that box. This thing was under 200 bucks. It's like 198 or something like that. The reviews were good. And it comes with a 30-day "you be happy or return" policy. Which is why I got it. I got the 110 kit because I didn't see the larger one showing the same little warranty until after it was too late to cancel the order. The one that plugs into 220 also came with the same 30-day money-back guarantee. So we got the instructions. Looks like it comes with 2 sets of the little cutting torch tips, the consumable things. That's cool because I forgot to order an extra bag. Here's the ground, the earth clamp they call it. It feels okay quality. Obviously, it's a little cheaper feeling than, like, my other welder has a better, thicker gauge. It doesn't feel bad though. Should work fine. The regulator, the air regulator, water separator, I believe. I'll show that stuff once I get it all hooked up and working. This must be the cutting torch. Seems okay. It's not a super high quality. It's about what I was expecting. But so in all there's 3, you got 3 deals to cut with before you gotta get some extra ones. That's cool, a couple extras. I'll probably be replacing this later if I end up using this thing a lot, but we'll see how it works. That is cute. That is tiny. Shit. Very basic. So you adjust the air with the regulator, and this is just the amperage. Hook in the torch. That comes with a regular 110 plug. They claim it will cut 2/5 thickness, which is odd. That's 1/40th thicker than 3/8. Anyway, I got some 3/8, a scrap from work. I'm gonna give it the test and see if it can actually cut 3/8. If it does that, then I don't need the bigger one because I'm never going to be cutting anything larger than 3/8. I really only need 1/4 inch. But now, it's been a long time since I've done a video. Gotten a couple more projects in the way, but we're going to go back to the narrowed beam, and I can finally cut out my shock towers. And that's why I got this tool. So I'll do a video of that while I'm doing it.